back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. As always, the links to all the pages that I share are linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And of course, if you're looking for something specific, feel free to leave that in the comments. For some reason, YouTube has stopped emailing me my comments, but I do go in and check those and keep those in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. With that being said, today's job lead is from the company Beyond Finance. This is going to be a non-phone position. Now, Beyond Finance has 362 reviews on Glassdoor from current and past employees with a 3.7 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a client success specialist for their SMS division. This is remote for the United States. So this is going to be a customer service position, but you're going to be doing your customer service through chat and SMS. So it is going to be non-phone. So as a chat SMS support agent, you're going to provide exceptional customer service and technical support to those users through, again, those chat and SMS channels. You're going to be the first point of contact for the customers, addressing their queries, troubleshooting their issues, and ensuring a positive customer experience. Now, this is a finance company, so you'll be engaging the communication with those customers, providing the customer service over issues in a timely and professional manner. You'll have to stay up to date on Beyond Finance's product knowledges, the different products and stuff that they offer, the processes and updates to provide accurate information to those customers. You'll maintain positive customer attitude when dealing with those challenging customers. But again, you're not on the phone with them, you're through text and SMS. So you can type a nice message rather than having to control your tone. I find that these non-phone customer service positions are better suited for those of you who might get a little frustrated with customers. It's easier to keep that positivity when you're not coming across with your voice and your tone. But they're not requiring any kind of college degree for this position. They do want somebody who has experience in customer service, someone who has great communication skills, someone who has experience with customer support through chat or SMS, somebody who can multitask and be a problem solver. Now, they do offer a standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. Unfortunately, they did not list the exact pay or actual pay in the job description, so actual pay will need to be discussed at the time of the interview, but I do try to do some research and get you an estimate on what the job might pay. And of course, per Glassdoor, a client success specialist at Beyond Finance makes a base pay of anywhere from $42,000 to $65,000 a year. That $65,000 a year mark is $1,250 a week. And then it says they can get additional bonuses and pay from $12,000 to $23,000, making total pay anywhere from $55,000 to $88,000. Now, one thing cool about Glassdoor, quite a few people that have worked for Beyond Finance as a client success specialist or in customer service have submitted their years of experience plus their salary. So if you scroll down this page, you can see different job titles, years of experience that they have, and the pay they stated. So you can compare the years of experience you have to the years of experience they have. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Again, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, or if you have suggestions on how I can make these job lead videos more helpful to you, leave that down below as well, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.